Hello, okay. I wanted to share this super cool thing that I found. Maybe a lot of people don't know about it, but when you go to emojis on WhatsApp, you search through something, or usually you get a recent here, but um, sometimes it gets cleared for some reason. In this case, I'm searching through the emoji that I want, and I add it there, and then I can send it, no problem, right? But what I found out is that besides doing something like this, if you type in the colon and then type in exactly what you were doing in your search, WhatsApp has a little automatic search function there, or autocomplete search function. Um, so makes it much easier to send those. The other thing, if you didn't know, is if you press the Windows key and the period, um, uh, Windows also has a little prompt for emojis. You can use that most places within Windows. Hope that helps.